Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Olivia ko, and today we're going to make tiramisu. I thought it's very hard, but since I love to watch Chef RV's recipe, I'm going to make that one because all the ingredients that he said um, I have it all except for the broas or the lady finger. So I asked my daughter and my husband to buy it. So it's here. So I'm going to start making the tiramisu. I thought it's very hard to make, but it's so easy lang pala. So let's start doing it. Come on, let's start. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up sign and the notification bell so you'll be updated on my future videos. Come on, let's start making our tiramisu. It's so easy, but it's affordable tiramisu. So, and it's still very delicious though. I have to try it. That's for our dessert for Valentine's Day. So, yan. Mag-start na tayo, okay? Let's go. Dito pala. Nandito lang yan. Andito. Ay, ano ba yan? Yan. Andyan ang, matagal ko nang hindi nagamit. Ngayon uli. Sige, gamitin natin. This is our ingredients. We have the cream cheese, 2 cups. And I have the powdered sugar, 1/2 cup, and the all-purpose cream. So, let's start. Let us put the cream cheese. Cream cheese. Yan. 2 yan. Na hindi na malamig siya. Pasok na natin. Ewan ko lang kung alam kong gamitin to. And then the sugar, the powdered sugar. Sige, ilagay na din natin. Okay. And then we start it daw. All-purpose cream. And I put the cream na. And then we put a little bit of vanilla paste. Yan. Vanilla paste siya. Hindi ko alam saan binili ng daughter ko, but we have this at home. Kaya, ito, vanilla paste. Okay. And ituloy na natin. Now we're going to assemble the tawag doon, the tiramisu. So we have here yan. Hindi ko alam ang tawag dyan. And then the broas. And the coffee. Okay, I'm gonna show. The coffee. It's 1 cup na espresso. Siguro mga 3 times kong ginawa dun sa coffee machine. So, espresso yan. Or you can use instant coffee. Pero dapat mas sobrang makapal daw. Sobrang, ang bango. Okay, let's start. Diyan ko ilalagay sa glass na ganyan. Diyan natin ilalagay yan. And this is the coffee. And we're gonna get the broas. Wait, let's open our hindi pa open. Bagong bibig. labas na muna. Okay, we start. Let's, ilublob lang daw. Ilublob sa kape. Ilublob and ilagay. Yan. Sandali lang daw ilublob. Yan, ilagay. Kaya dapat pala ilipat mo ng lalagyan. Kung hindi, babasa yung ibang kasama niya. Diba? Ay, naku. Dapat. Tapos lagyan natin ng topping maya. Urong. Sige pa. Yan. Isa pa dyan. Tapos lagyan natin na yan. Para bumaba. Sige, okay na. Sama yun. And then, continue natin ang gawa pa ako ng kape. Parang kulang. Baka isa pa. Nice. Hi, we're back. It's the next day already. So this is our our tiramisu, and we're going to put chocolate powder on top. And I'll show you. Let's start. Let's continue. Okay, this is our tiramisu. Let's remove the plastic. And then we're going to put the Okay, let's start putting chocolate powder. A lot daw. A lot chocolate powder. Yan. Kailangan daw madami. That's our chocolate powder. This is our tiramisu. This is for dessert tonight. Today is ano na ngayon? Valentine's Day. Yan, that's our tiramisu. See, it's so pretty. Yan. This is our tiramisu. Here. And we'll make the other one, the small one. We made two. Yan. This is the other one. Yan. Yan o. Yan yung smaller one. Yan. Sige, lagyan din natin ng yan. This is the other one. This one. This is the circle one. And this is the square one. Yan. We'll enjoy it later and then we'll try it. So, stay tuned. Not yet done. Let us now cut our tiramisu. Cut, cut, cut. That one, I think, is for me. And my daughter is going to cut for herself. Smaller one. Okay, here is my tiramisu. Yan. Let's try it. Yan. Yum, yum. Very delicious. Not so sweet kasi konti lang yung nilagay kong sugar. Okay, one more slice. Ay, not one more slice, one more subo. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. God bless us all. See you next time. I love you all. Bye!